What does financial freedom mean to you? It's a state where your assets generate income that exceeds your expenses. It's about having your money work for you, not you working for your money. Assets in this context play a pivotal role. They are the building blocks, the stepping stones towards that coveted financial independence. Today, we'll delve into 5 key assets that, when harnessed correctly, can help pave your path to financial freedom. Are you ready to discover the 5 assets that can make you rich? Stock investments, the first asset on our list. Imagine owning a piece of a company, sharing in its success. That's the essence of stock investments. When you buy a company's stock, you're buying a tiny slice of that company, becoming a shareholder. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. There's no shortage of success stories in the world of stock investing. Take Warren Buffett, who started investing as a teenager and is now one of the wealthiest people on the planet. Or consider the countless individuals who invested in tech giants like Apple or Google in their early days and reaped enormous rewards. But it's not just about picking winners. Stock investing also involves understanding the risks. Markets can be volatile and companies can fail. That's why research is crucial. You need to understand the company you're investing in, its business model, its competitive environment. The more you know, the better your chances of making wise investment decisions. Diversification is another important strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. By spreading your investments across different companies and sectors, you can minimize risk and increase your chances of earning a return. Stock investments can be complex, but they also offer potential for high returns. With patience, research, and diversification, you can transform your financial future. Stock investments, when done wisely, can be a game changer for your financial freedom. Next on our list, real estate investments. Now, these aren't just about owning a piece of land or a building, it's about tapping into a wealth of opportunities. One of the significant benefits of real estate investment is the generation of passive income. Renting out your property can provide a steady income stream that requires minimal effort on your part. Another perk is appreciation. Real estate properties typically increase in value over time, providing you with a profitable asset. And let's not forget the tax advantages. Many expenses related to property ownership, such as mortgage interest and property taxes, are tax deductible. However, success in real estate doesn't come without its homework. The importance of location and market research cannot be overstated. Understanding the market trends, neighborhood growth, and future developments can help you make informed decisions. Real estate investments can provide a steady stream of income and long-term financial security. It's all about making the right choices at the right time. Third on our list is small business ownership. A small business can be a gold mine, a treasure chest that, when handled correctly, can overflow with wealth. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a dash of sweat and tears. But the rewards can be immense. Imagine owning a bakery, a coffee shop, or a tech startup. You're not just selling products or services, you're crafting experiences, building relationships. It's not just about the dollars and cents, but the heart and soul you pour into it. However, it's crucial to choose a business you're passionate about and understand. Passion fuels perseverance, and understanding reduces risks. Speaking of risks, they are part and parcel of entrepreneurship. Challenges like managing finances, dealing with competition, and satisfying customers are common. Nevertheless, with the right mindset and strategies, these hurdles can be conquered. Owning a small business can be challenging, but it can also be a rewarding path to financial freedom. Fourth on our list, intellectual property. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is intellectual property? Simply put, it's a category of property that includes intangible creations of the human intellect. This can be an invention, a brand design, a novel, or even a song. There are 4 main types of intellectual property: patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. A patent protects an invention. If you've created a unique product or process, you can patent it, giving you the exclusive right to profit from it. Next, we have trademarks. These protect your brand. Think of iconic logos like the Apple or Nike swoosh. Then, there's copyright, protecting original works of authorship. This could be a book, a song, a film, a script, or even a piece of software. Finally, we have trade secrets. These are formulas, practices, or processes that are not generally known or reasonably ascertainable by others, and give a business a competitive edge. So, how does owning intellectual property make you rich? Well, once you own a patent, trademark, copyright, or trade secret, you can license it to others for use or reproduction. This can generate a constant stream of passive income. But remember, It's crucial to protect your intellectual property, because if you don't, someone else might profit from your ideas or creations. Intellectual property can be a goldmine, providing you with a constant stream of passive income. Finally, let's not forget the most important asset, your personal skills and knowledge. Yes, you heard that right. Your brain is your greatest asset. It's the tool you use to navigate the world, to make decisions, to solve problems, and to create value. Investing in your education and skills isn't just about getting a degree or a certificate. It's about developing your ability to think critically, to communicate effectively, and to adapt to new situations. It's about becoming a lifelong learner, someone who is always curious, always questioning, always growing. Whether you're learning a new language, mastering a software program, or studying the latest trends in your industry, every bit of knowledge and every skill you acquire can lead to higher earnings and career advancement. You never know when that piece of information or that new skill will open up a world of opportunities. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets. Invest in them, and they will pay dividends. To sum it up, achieving financial freedom involves diversifying your assets and investing wisely. Let's quickly revisit the 5 assets we've unwrapped. Stock investments, which offer potential for substantial growth. Real estate investments, a tangible and often lucrative asset. Small business ownership, a route to create your own wealth. Intellectual property, your unique creations that can generate income. And personal skills and knowledge, the asset you carry everywhere. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Start investing in these assets today, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom.